Okay, when you grab it, you hold here, you pull all the way till it's cut. You do the same thing with here, and then we will turn it around, and then you lift this up. Okay? So, the honor is yours. Yes. Yeah, and then flip it around. Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Now you, I can trust you because you're very smart. Lift up the phone carefully. So you have to hold from here. Hold from, yes. Oh, you see? You know your own way. And then yeah, and then you peel this off. Yes, and I'll throw that away for you. And now, oh, actually, yeah, turn it on. Yes, beautiful. And you remember what the other phone told you when you turned it on? What did it say?
Hello.
Yes, you see, good memory. Ah, beautiful. Now, if you'll allow, I will just